Hi, I'm Tony Quattroville from One Agency, and welcome to the 2016 Annual Wrap-Up. When it comes to Sydney real estate, what another year it has been. The housing market continues to defy gravity due to a combination of factors, chief of which include low interest rates, low supply, increasing demand, and strong investment returns in terms of capital growth. Sydney's house prices have increased by 10.6% over the year, yet another double-digit return. However, when compared to the 15.6% increase over 2015, it's clear the pace of growth has started to slow. Considering wage growth has barely increased over the past 5 years, house prices in comparison have risen by a staggering 65.9% since the start of the current growth phase in June 2012. In such a short period of time, the past 4.5 years has produced an insane amount of equity for homeowners and investors. The downside to this is the lack of home affordability for first home buyers, plus the fear that our next generation may just become a generation of renters. There were 18.2% less property transactions in Sydney in 2016 when compared to 2015, which was also lower than the previous 2 years before that. This statistic confirms that less people have been selling, mostly due to the high changeover costs of buying and selling, or not being able to find an alternative home to move to, so they've stayed put. However, homes took slightly longer to sell in Sydney in 2016 than they did in 2015, with an average of 32 days on the market compared with 27 in the previous year. This backs up that we may be moving towards the end of this current property cycle. My opinion is that 2017 should still see continued growth, however not at the same rate of the double-digit returns as the previous years. An oversupply of unit construction may also slow the overall increase further, and the main factor that would end this property boom would be an interest rate rise. Talk already is that 2018 may see interest rates on the way back up, which could easily trigger a correction in property values. However, only time will tell. I'd love to speak with you personally in more detail if there are any other questions you would like to discuss. Please feel free to contact me at any time. From me and my team at One Agency, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.